Hi guys, you're welcome to this step-by-step guide on how you can unlink or disconnect your email from your Blum account. Let's say for instance you linked the wrong email to your Blum account and you want to disconnect it and probably link another email to your Blum account. I'm going to show you guys today how you can actually disconnect your email so you can be able to link another one. So now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon, your Blum profile icon. You can see it right there at the top left. You can see it there in blue color. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see down there, you can see my email has been linked to my Blum account. So now for me to be able to disconnect it, what I can simply do now is to tap on where you can see disconnect. You can see it down there. So let me go ahead now to tap on disconnect. So guys can see what's written here. Are you sure you want to disconnect? You may lose access if no other login method is set up. So now what you can simply do now is to tap on disconnect. So let me tap on disconnect. So guys, now by doing this now I've been able now to disconnect or unlink my email from my Blum account. So let me tap on my Blum profile icon again to see what it's going to look like. So guys, now you can see it's right here. Now you can actually link a new email if you want to by tapping on link email. So guys, now this I can be able to disconnect your email from your Blum account and reconnect another one if you want to. See you in the next upload.